Hello, very good morning. I have been giving some efforts to find out the moves of Dow Jones market by way of astrology, whether it is possible to predict very closely or not. It's just an effort to find the nearest possible moves, if possible or not. This is not for trading purpose at all. This is just a research purpose effort going on. So it is possible that this video can be wrong or can go too wrong, so we can correct ourselves. We are studying on Indian market also to reach the close possible views from 1 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, very close as possible we can. It is a part of our research, so it could go too wrong. So don't do any kind of trade on this, but for study purpose only this is the video. If you do any trade, it's totally on your risk, but for study purpose it's an effort. So at the first we have prepared a 15-minute chart. Every line counts for 15 minutes. Now in the morning 9:30 on, 15 minute, two green candles are there. So it is quite possible after waiting for 2 to 4 minutes or 10 minutes, the market may come positive for first 30 minutes. After that, the market is showing slow rate downfall. Every line is counting for 15 minutes. Maybe if you want to study, you can have a screenshot of this video. 10:30 to 11:30, there is negativity with one recovery, so it is still negative zone, and that negative zone is starting from when? It is starting from 9:30 plus 15 plus 15. So approximately near about by 10 o'clock the negative movement must start, and it should continue up to 11 o'clock, up to this point. From here we can see that start of green candle is there. There is also two red candle is there, but maximum green candles are here. So this is the zone 12 o'clock, because every line counts for 30 minutes. So afternoon time there is a recovery possibility. Here also two red candle, here also recovery, here also three red candle, here also recovery. So initially the market may go negative for the first 2 hours at the slow rate, but with opening for about 30 to 45 minutes it may remain positive. So let us try to confirm smallest possible moves than this. If we are able to reach accuracy than this, or that also falls too wrong, it is quite possible that first chart or this is the first video may go too wrong as well, or may go too right, because of consideration of various planetary aspects and various race aspects on moon. So we will try to correct ourselves and further research. So this is just a part of study. Possibility of right or wrong will be known only tonight. So now I am trying to study 9:30 to 10:30 morning hours by a 1 minute chart, what it is showing. If you want, you can have screenshot of these two. This is the 1 minute chart. Now in this 1 minute chart, what we see here, also we see that from 9:30 positive movement is there till 9:45, and then still up to 10 some positivity is kept intact. Now the problem with this research on initial stages is that every candle which is going on positive side, every candle is not yet able to tell you the size of candle, whether it is 50 point or whether it is 500 points or whether it is 200 point. So at the moment we are just trying to consider the move, catch the possible moves only, whether it is green forming or it is red forming. But we can say that as in the big chart, 9:30 to 10 o'clock some positivity was kept intact, but after 10 towards 10:30 there is nice downfall is there, and the same is signified in our earlier 15-minute chart. So friends, we will study these steps tonight at 28th of Jan India time, to correct ourselves more and more, and to correct our planetary calculations as per Dow Jones times, US times, to prepare more accuracy in the coming sessions. Thanks a lot. Hope you participate in research only, and I again repeat, this video can go wrong as well because this is the first effort only. So just use it for study purpose, don't use it for any sort of trade. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.